Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new review for you. I was sent some products from Beauty Big Bang, so I'm going to test out these products in this video. Before I get started, I have a disclaimer. I was sent these for free, so I did not purchase these myself, but I will always give an honest review if I like the products or not. So I just wanted to let you know that. As well, if you decide to stop by Beauty Big Bang, I have a 10% off code, which is ALL10. So if you type that in at your checkout in coupon codes, you will get 10% off. I don't make anything off this code. It's just for you guys to save a little bit of money. So we're going to go ahead and review these 3 products in this video. I want to thank Lisa from Beauty Big Bang for sending me these products. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. As well, you can also find Beauty Big Bang on Instagram, Facebook, and on their website, beautybigbang.com. So definitely check out them. They have a lot of great products. Alright, so the first product I am going to be testing out is this Beauty Big Bang Chameleon polish. And this one is called, I think it's 009. I'm just going to take it out of the box. I have it on my nails, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that is the polish. It is so pretty. So yes, this is 009. And I will leave all of the links down below in the description box. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with one coat on my nails. So I'm just going to do one. It is like a flaky polish with kind of purple and green and blues. It is really pretty and I really like it a lot. So you can do this under a color, or you can just do it by itself with doing a bunch of different layers. So I'm just going to show you what the first layer looks like. I love flaky polishes. So that's kind of what the first layer looks like. It is a little bit on the transparent side, but that is totally okay because I did 2 coats on these nails and they look great. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry and I'll be back. Alright, so back to do our second coat. And you can do a couple coats, I would think, at least 2 if you want it to be pretty opaque. But if you want it to be even more opaque, do a 3rd coat. So that is 2 coats, and I think 2 coats is pretty good. But yeah, it looks really nice. So yeah, that is 2 coats of the Beauty Big Bang Chameleon polish in a 009. So definitely a fan. I really like it. It is gorgeous. It's even more gorgeous in person. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to some other products. So next up I have a magnetic pen, which is to be used for any kind of magnetic nail polish. That's what it looks like. It just has a magnet on the very end. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and try this out with some Madam Glam and Born Pretty Store. These are actually gel magnetic polishes. They will work with the other polish as well because you use magnet for the regular non-gel polish as well. So let's go ahead and see if this works. So I'm just going to paint Madam Glam's Carmeletto on this. This is just going to be my 2nd coat because I usually do 2 coats with this. And before, with gel polish, you do the magnet before you actually cure it. So let's zoom you in. And you can kind of do whatever you want because you don't have to actually hold it like a regular magnet. So, I don't know, let's try to make a swirl maybe. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I can see it moving actually. It's really cool if you guys can see kind of blocking it. You can see the polish actually move with the magnet, which is really neat because you don't really see that when you're doing the other one because you don't get to do it as detailed, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to cure that so you can see it, but I can definitely see it already. I'll be back. Oh yeah, so it definitely works. Like I am really thinking that looks so cool. If I can get it to focus, you can see it. It looks really neat. Yeah, it totally works. So I did also do one from the Born Pretty store, and I just kind of did lines. My camera will pick it up. I think maybe if I clear coat it, you guys might be able to see it better. All right, so I just top coated them, and I think you can see it a little bit better. This one I just did stripes, so you can see it pretty well. I actually think this worked better than the other magnets that I have, so I'm pretty impressed with that. And you can do like any design that you want, which is pretty neat. So it showed up really well on this one. You can see it better in person, but I think it works pretty well. So I'm definitely impressed with this little magnet, and I like that you can do like any design that you want. So really cool. Definitely recommend it if you have your own magnetic nail polishes. So again, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. So we're going to move on to my last product. So the last product I have here is a flaky holographic powder. I think this one is J5626. Again, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. So this is gorgeous. Like, look at that. So pretty. We're going to go ahead and try this on a swatch stick. So I did half black, half white, and I have a no wipe top coat on top of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom you in. So this didn't come with, what's it called? A little sponge applicator. So I have my own, and I also have my silicone applicator to see what I want to use. So you can see inside that it's kind of got all different like colors in it and holographic, and I'm excited. It looks really pretty. So we're going to try with the sponge and see what it does. Not really working. Let's try with the finger. Seems to work well with your finger. Let's try with the silicone applicator. Also works well with that. And it looks really pretty. I think it would be better over a different color, but I don't know why, I always do black and white when I do these. But I think you could actually use these without a gel polish. You could use it with a regular polish. So we're going to go ahead and cure it up and see what it looks like. All right, so it looks neat with it top coated. It looks really pretty. I think it would look really great over any kind of colored nail. I really like it. It's really pretty. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this. So 3 for 3. All 3 products worked out really well. Again, I'll leave all the links down below in the description box. And yeah, so I really want to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these products as well. Don't forget to use my code for 10% off. So that's ALL10. So definitely check out these products if you liked them. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.